Hello, welcome to another Excel tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about data validation tool of Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing is where you can use the data validation tool. It's useful in a column where you will use around 9 or 10 value, that is already predetermined. It can be a list of country or list of city or list of university name or whatever you need. By using data validation, the predetermined list will show as a drop-down list. So you don't need to type it every time. You can just select it from the drop-down list. Very interesting, right? Without further delay, let me show how you can create the drop-down list. First we need to prepare the list in any unused column of your spreadsheet. This list will be used as the source of items that will show in the drop-down. For example, we want to input the grade of some students of their exam. So we have written all the available grades in an unused column, then select the cell where you want your drop-down list. In my case this is G2. Then from menu bar you have to select data. Under this here is the data validation option. Click here, and select data validation. Then this box will open. Then, under Allow option, you have to select List. Then you will find Source option. Now click on the source box so that your cursor is showing here. Now we need the source value, that we have already prepared. Drag and select the range of your prepared list. Then click on OK button. Boom! You are done. You will see the drop-down icon in that cell. One last step, like any other formula. We have to drag down the cell up to the bottom. So that, the drop-down work of all the students. See. Now we can input data by selecting the drop-down. It can save your time when you are going to work on a large data set. Now for better presentation, you can hide this column. But don't delete anything from here. Because if you delete this, your drop-down will not show any data. And if you want to remove the drop-down, select the cells. And click on Data Validation. Click on Clear All. Click on OK. See. Now all the drop-down has gone. Thanks for watching this video. And if you are new to this channel, see other videos of our channel. And subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. And comment what you want see next about Microsoft Excel.